Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to disable Promote with Blaze in WordPress. So I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard. In the Pages section. If I hover my mouse over this page, you will notice this Promote with Blaze link, which is from the Jetpack plugin, and I want to disable it. So click on Jetpack in the left sidebar, and then choose Settings. It'll bring you to this page. From this menu, go to Traffic, and then scroll down, and in this Blaze section, click this button to disable it. Now if I go back to the Pages section, and then hover my mouse over this page, you'll see that the link is gone. Now if you have updated to the latest Jetpack plugin, I think they have removed it by default. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.